Hello, I'm Akira. The third reason that I quit the manager's job at a barbecue restaurant and opened up VegiLicious was I wanted to help better the environment. We all know that the environment of our beautiful planet, the Earth, has been getting destroyed more and more. But not many people know that the majority of the destruction has been caused by livestock. Yes, livestock actually destroys rainforests, pollute air worse than all the vehicles in the world, causes acid rain and desertification, consumes 10 to 20 times more water than regular farming, etc., etc. If many people come dine here at VegiLicious and enjoy a vegan meal instead of a regular meal containing meat, it would already have a good impact on the environment. Thank you for watching.